Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Soma 6-pack puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Lucy Powells and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Soma 6-pack puzzle was made using two different types of wood, Paduk and Venge. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame in such a way that both openings will be covered and there will be no sticking out parts like you can see right now. The Soma 6-pack has 6 parts, and you are probably wondering why it is called Soma if it has only 6 parts, not 7. The reason is that the seventh piece is built into the frame. As you can see, there is a 4 voxel part. It is built into the frame. That means that you have to fit the rest of the parts around this one in such a way that you cover all openings and fit all parts inside. And it will be quite tricky since you have to find one of the pieces that you can move inside, but then lift one step up so that you can cover this small opening. I like when puzzle designers try to create something new using classic puzzles like Soma Cube. And the Soma 6-pack from Lucy Powells and Pelikan is a great example of such puzzles. It's quite interesting, not so easy to figure out the solution since you have to fit 6 parts inside, but a very interesting puzzle to solve. And as always, all puzzles built by Pelikan look amazing, and the Soma 6-pack will fit nicely into your puzzle collection. If you like the Soma 6-pack and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.